Hey, what's up, YouTube? I want to show you guys a problem that we just started having with my wife's minivan. This is a 2010 Honda Odyssey, and the problem that we're having is with the power tailgate. So we just noticed that it was not opening all the way, and the door is kind of heavy right now. So I think I know what the problem is. So I want to show you the problem first. So I'm gonna open it with the key fob. See, it opens and then starts shaking. Makes that beeping noise. And close it. So even when you're doing it manually, sorry. So you can tell this is kind of heavy, and it won't stay up. Okay, so I think the problem is these struts. So I think they're just not holding the weight of the door anymore. So what I did is I just decided to order some. I got them on Amazon for like, I think it's under 30 bucks, and it's just that they will fit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace them. So what I'm gonna need, because I'm gonna do it by myself, I'm gonna need this ladder. So I'm gonna use it just to hold the door up, so I can just use the flathead screwdriver to pull the clips on the actual struts, and then just pull them out. Okay, so I'll show you guys. All right, I use the ladder just to keep the door up, and I use this just to give it a little extra space. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use the Phillips screwdriver. There we go. Yeah, you can tell these things are just not good anymore. All right, so I'm gonna replace this one first. There you go. Quick and simple. All right. Let's grab the new one. Start at the bottom, just push it in the clip. I'm gonna have to just sorry guys, I'm gonna have to just put the camera right here for a moment. There you go. So I'm gonna lift it. There you go. And it just snaps right in. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. All right, so I already replaced both of them. So now this is, let's test it. There you go. All right, so I guess that's a very easy fix and very cheap. So I'm gonna leave the link on the description below for where I get the struts, so just in case you guys want to order the same ones. Okay, all right, see you guys later. Bye.